Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to become a host on the Airbnb app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Airbnb app, then go to the profile section, which is on the bottom right corner of the screen. And at the profile section, the first menu is going to be the account settings, and the second menu is the hosting menu. And here, the first option is going to be the list your place. And by tapping on it, you can start this 10 easy steps journey to list your own home or place on Airbnb and start making passive income with it. Just have to tap on the let's go. Then here, there are a few steps that you have to choose to set up your home for Airbnb. Here you have to choose what kind of place will you host. Let's say my flat. Just tap on next. If you want, you can choose more. If you want to list more places, which of these best describe your place? Rental unit, apartment, loft, serviced apartment. Let's say apartment. Next. What kind of space will guests have? An entire place. Next. Okay, here it asks me to share my location, but if you don't want to share your location, you can just type it in. Let's say Bucharest, because we are in Bucharest right now. Bucharest. Yeah. Then let's go. And yeah, you have to add your whole address, which I'm not going to do right now here on YouTube. So yeah, that's pretty much it. You have to fill in these details, and after that you are ready to go. They are going to review your submission, and your listing is going to be live in a few days. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.